Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage night vision settings on your MSI G242L gaming monitor. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into these settings by clicking on the red button right behind your monitor on your right side. And here in the gaming section, we need to go into the night vision. Here, as you guys can see, we can change it from AI to strongest, strong, normal, or off. And as you guys can see, the settings are applying immediately. So now it's on AI. I think AI actually looks the best here. Maybe off is also good. But I feel like AI in person does the better job. So you guys can select AI. If any setting is better for you, then just go for it. It's all up to your preference, and as you guys can see here, we can basically change that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.